I want to introduce you to a newly designed menstrual cup, Kind Cup. You'll notice that we have a unique shape. It's asymmetrical, so it conforms to your body and not the other way around, making it way more comfortable for our users. I want to give you a quick demo. This is the front of the cup, and this is the back of the cup. We have a unique pressure point down at the bottom, where with one hand, you can collapse the cup, making it ready for insertion. After you insert the cup, it'll pop open, and this is what creates the seal. Your cup is going to collect the menstrual fluids from your cervix and sit above your pubic bone. And when properly placed, you won't even notice that it's there. After it fills up, when it's time for removal, the stem is angled and forward and right where you want it. It's super flexible, so you won't even notice that it's there. If you pull straight down, you're going to be working against the upper ring, so all you have to do is down and wiggle, kind of shimmy the cup down, and then you'll have the base for the removal. You can wipe it down, wash it if you have water, insert, keep going. That's it.